Hello guys, how are you? So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to install or enable official Samsung screen recording on your phone. As you can see, I'm using Samsung's budget phone, which is Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, and in this phone Samsung does not provide you a built-in screen recording. As you can see, if I show you, there's no available buttons here and all the buttons are here, and if you see it closely you can see there's no option for inbuilt screen recording. As you saw, there's no screen recording option. Even if I go into settings and search for screen record, there won't be any option screen record. As you can see, there's no option. There's voice recorder, but there's no screen recorder officially built in this phone. And if you go into Play Store and download third-party apps, they might work, but most of them have their good features or high quality media like capturing off, and if you want to enable that you have to pay them their premium. But unfortunately Samsung does not include that feature on budget phone, so I'm going to be showing you how to enable that official screen recorder, inbuilt screen recorder that you see in Samsung's upper mid-range or mid-range smartphones or even flagship smartphones. So without any further ado, let's start the video. Actually, I made a video on the same topic a few years back, and thank you guys for such great response on that video. Many people benefited from that video, but recently I'm seeing a few comments that people say that this process or this method does not work anymore on latest Samsung's phones or Samsung's latest software. So that's why I'm just creating it on a newer phone. Previously I imagine I created it on Samsung's A04, which was latest at that time, but now Samsung A07 has launched, and this is a pretty latest phone. This is Samsung's A16 and running on the Samsung's latest Android 15 One UI 7. It's not One UI 8. It's around the corner for this device as well. If you will insist, I will make a updated video for that as well, to show you if that method still works on One UI 8 or not, in a short video probably. So how does this work? So first of all, you obviously need to download a few APKs, not few, just 2 APKs. I've given its link in the description of this website. If you open it, it will be directed to this page. Alright, this is my own website, so you can touch it obviously, and this is the thumbnail of the previous video that I made. As you can see, it works on every One UI version on all Samsung phones that does not have it. So in the download section, just simply click on download link, click here, and then the Megas server will open up to download the file, which is very small. It's just like 2.8 gigabytes. So just have to press this button for it to download. There's no ads, nothing. And to support this free videos, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video. That's what I'm doing you first, guys. I'm showing you no ads, nothing. I'm earning everything from Google, from YouTube itself, so just help me there as well, guys. So it's, as you can see, it's scripted, and now we'll just click on continue, and here's the download option. You just have to click on it and download. And after you've downloaded, you obviously have to open up your My Files, then into downloads. Obviously here's the software's zip file, so you have to press and hold it, and then more, and then click on extract. As simple as that. Just have to extract it. Here's the folder. Here are these 2 APK files, and if you're downloading or start loading APK file for the first time, you might see an option that will say allow download unknown sources. So you have to go to settings and search for unknown apps. As you can see, security and privacy, install unknown apps. So you have to click on that, and then you have to scroll down, install unknown apps. Don't allow any of these, just allow My Files, because we're going to be downloading from My Files, installing the APKs, and there are 2 APKs as you can see here. Just simply click on the first one first, like this, and click on install. These are very small files, so it's not going to take long. So if you're running on latest phones, it will show you unknown app blocked, and it will show you auto blocker prevents the installation of these apps. So if you just go into your phone settings again, and then into security and privacy, and then auto blocker. You have to turn it off for a few moments, then you have to give your fingerprint of face. I'm going with fingerprint here, and as you can see, it has been turned off. After just installing the app, you can turn it back on, because after installing, it no longer detects it as a malware because it knows it's alright. But because we are just doing side loading, that's why it does not allow it in the first place. So you have to click on that again and then install, and then as you can see, it's installing. App installed. Then click done, and then go with the second one. Again, did the same thing, click install, wait for it to installing. These are very small apps. Again, app installed. On fewer models, many people say that one of these files get installed and the other one says app not installed. Unfortunately, then it means that these phones does not, these APKs or these official screen recorder does not support your phone. Unfortunately, I have no idea on which phone it works, on which phone it does not work. I've tried it on many phones and almost all of them has worked on those. So if it does not work on you, then I'm really sorry for you to waste your time here, but it's better to just test it in the first place. It's not a hard process. Alright, after installing first thing is obviously we have to enable our features that we just disabled. These are security privacy features, you should keep them on. It's very good for your phone's security. Then again, enable auto blocker and the one unknown apps. You can leave it on if you want, because you can use it to install other APK files. So I'm gonna just keep it here on, but if you want, you can close it here as well. So after doing this process, what you need to do is you're gonna swipe from your top right to bring this quick settings menu, and then you have to expand this option. You won't see here any option currently, so you have to click on this pencil icon on the top, then click edit, and there we go. Record screen option is here. You just have to tap it and then it will be there. So just I will drag it on the top. Alright, so done, and here's the screen recording options. You can press and hold on this, and so it already shows you a warning or disclaimer or something that this app was built for older versions of Android. It might not work properly and it does not contains or include the latest software. Just stop doing all of those things, just click on OK, and we're good to go. You have now record touch instructions so that you can get a small circle wherever you drag or tap, and there's obviously the audio from where you want to record the audio from, only system sound or system sound and mic as well. And there's video quality, high video quality. That's the thing, if you're trying to record in high quality videos, screen recordings, any app that you download from the Play Store, they want you to buy the premium to unlock that option. Fortunately, you have it right here now. And after doing all those settings, it's pretty straightforward. Just press it once, tap it once, then it will show you this record screen option menu. This is like license agreement, so just have to click agree, and as you can see, you heard the tap, it's recording. Here's the pause, and as you can see, to turn off the recording, just have to press it here once, and here's our recording. And if I try to play, okay, it's been closed. It's also showing us in the notifications that video screen or recorded. Now where is it stored? And most people say it does not show up in your gallery and instantly. It would take some time for you because it's an older version of built-in Samsung screen recording, so it's going to take some time for it to show up in this gallery. But if you want to access it instantly, what you need to do is you're going to go to my files and internal storage, then TCIM, and then video screenshots. And here's our video. Let me play it for you guys. Obviously a video player. Let me increase the volume. So we have that sound muted in the first place, so we have to enable the mute again to unmute it. And now we're gonna record all our sounds, system sound and mic as well. And one more thing, that thing that you were seeing first there to stop the recording, it's actually not recorded. in the video itself, as you can see, and it's recorded in high resolution. That's really great. You can see there's no option for it and showing in the previews, not showing in the main recording. It's really great actually. And let me record it again for you guys with volume or with sound, so you can see that as well. Record screen. Hello, hello, mic testing 1 2 3. You can also see the refresh rate here, and as you can see, this is not going to show in the final recording. And now if I click on it, tap on it, the recording is complete. Again, to access that, we have to go into my files, and here is the recording. It's now a bit larger because it includes sound as well. So just play it again here. Hello, hello, mic testing 1 2 3. You can also see the refresh rate here, and as you can see, this is not going to show in the final recording. And now if I, as you can see, actually one more thing. Did you see in the final this option here? The touch, wherever I touch, it will show this option here, this tap, which means wherever I tap, it will show a small pointer here, so you can guide the audience that where you are tapping. So I hope this video was beneficial for you. Again, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave a comment below and with your device name and model if it works, and if it does not work, again please comment below with your phone model name, that in which phone it does not work. And this is only for Samsung phone, because this is a Samsung official inbuilt screen recorder from previous Samsung phones, which actually supports newer phones, but on new phones Samsung does not provide its latest screen recording on these phones. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in my next video. Goodbye for now.